Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about an introduction of hydrocarbons. Here, I make a series of hydrocarbon, and this is first video of that series, which is introduction of hydrocarbons. So, without delay, let's start the video. First, what is hydrocarbons? The compound which contain carbon and hydrogen as a only element are called hydrocarbons. Means that compound which only contain carbon and hydrogen, that compound is called as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons can be open chain or cyclic. So here classifications of hydrocarbons. You can see hydrocarbon is mainly classified into open chain and cyclic. Open chain hydrocarbons are also called as aliphatic hydrocarbons. Then that aliphatic hydrocarbons are also divided into saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons means which contain carbon-carbon single bond. Examples are alkane. And unsaturated hydrocarbon means which contain carbon-carbon double or triple bond. Examples are alkene and alkynes. Then that saturated hydrocarbons are divided into straight chain and branched chain hydrocarbons. Also, unsaturated hydrocarbon is divided into straight chain hydrocarbons and branched chain hydrocarbons. Then, second part of hydrocarbon is cyclic hydrocarbons, which is divided into saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are called as alicyclic hydrocarbons, and then unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into aromatic hydrocarbons and non-aromatic hydrocarbons. So this tree diagram is all about classification of hydrocarbons. Then what is alkane? Alkane are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bonds. Then what is covalent bonds? Covalent bond is a bond which is formed by sharing of electron pair between the combining atom in a molecule. Means the bond which is formed by sharing of electron. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where N stands for number of carbon atom in the alkane molecules. Alkane contain only carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bonds. They are chemically less reactive and do not have much affinity for other chemicals. Hence, they are called as paraffins. Means alkanes are called as paraffins. Then, what is alkenes? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n, where N is equal to 2, 3 and 4, etc. Alkene with one carbon double bond contain two hydrogen atom less than corresponding alkanes. Alkenes are also known as olefins because the first member of alkene, that is ethylene or ethane, react with chlorine to form oily substance. What is alkynes? Alkynes are aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. The number of hydrogen atom is still less in alkyne as compared to the alkene and also alkanes. The general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. If you have any doubt, then you mention it in comment box. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.